This 5 Big Drum secondary samba pack contains the big drums you need for starting a samba group or extending your current samba resource. It includes 3 top quality Surdos, a Repinique and a Caixa marching drum, all suitable for secondary players. There's also a step-by-step teaching guide that takes players from basics to performance level in just a term of lessons, all backed up by extensive online audio and video support. Let's take a closer look. The acclaimed teaching guide takes teacher and class from basics to performance level in just a term of lessons. It's backed up by online video and audio clips, plus downloadable lesson plans, and it's designed for class teachers as well as music specialists. The Brazilian Samba Secondary 5 Big Drums Pack. The perfect big drum foundation for a secondary samba club or for extending your existing class resource.